Hello, my name is Giovanna Cano, and I did my final project with Thomas McConnelly, Paola Garcia, Fabiola Crespo, Elena Salazar. Well, first of all, in our project, the first thing we did was we made an introduction in which we explained first of all how was Mexico in electricity, like how many kilowatts were expanded in per year, with all the Mexicans also. And then the next thing we did was that we brought to class our electricity receipts, and we compared the data, the graph of consumption level, the graph of historic consumption level. Also, we wrote the prices and the costs that we had to expend each period and annually. For example, mine was annually was I expended 22,131.32 pesos, Mexican pesos, in a total year in electricity. We also compared our results, and we checked who was the one that expended the most and who was the one that spent literally nothing. So in our case, I was the one with the highest consumption level. I had 9,196 kilowatts, and the girl that had the lowest was Elena, and she had 2,352 kilowatts, and she only spent 3,161.73 pesos per year. Well, this was our result in comparison. Also, we did the consumption level of electricity, the comparison of other things. Also, we investigate what was the solar energy and how is this better than fossil fuels. We wrote the advantages, the disadvantages, the cost, the everything. And for the last part in our project, each one of us had his own part. For example, I was the solar irradiance area in Monterrey. Also the cost of the conditions requirements by the housing to install solar panels, the cost of solar panels, the investment analysis, and well, it was a very brief thing of what we did. But what did I thought of what we did? Well, when I started doing this project, I realized that we don't care as much of how much we spend in electricity. Fossil fuels are not infinite, and if we keep spending them as if they were, I don't know, we are gonna run out, and there's not going to be a thing that we can use except of the solar energy. So when I saw the cost of a solar panel, I was literally amazed. I couldn't believe why, if I spend that kind of money, if I spend 22,131.33 pesos per year, why am I not available to buy a solar panel? If I could save 13,603.94 pesos for buying only 6 solar panels for my house. So when we did this final project, it was very, very stressful, but also we could work as a team, and we really had fun. It was a very interesting project, and I really like this course.